A hilarious American story. Once upon a time, a Pakistani family was living in New York City, USA. One member of the family, named Pupu, received an invitation for a Thanksgiving dinner. Pupu thought, "Wow, this is a fantastic opportunity to observe American culture up close." He was very excited, dressed in his best clothes, and arrived at his American friend's house. As soon as he sat down at the dining table, he saw a very large, roasted bird placed on the table that looked incredibly delicious. Pupu leaned over and whispered to his friend, "Dude, what kind of bird is this? Tell me the truth, was this someone's pet pigeon?" His friend replied in confusion, "No, Pupu, this is a turkey. It's what we eat on Thanksgiving in America." Pupu's mouth dropped open in shock. He exclaimed loudly, "Oh, turkey? You ate the whole country? Man, your dinners really are big." All the American guests at the table were startled by Pupu's comment, and then everyone burst into uncontrollable laughter. It took a moment for Pupu to realize that turkey is also the name of a bird, not just a country.